right, so special thanks to this company for sending us their reading light. You can see it has timing settings, 3 color temperatures, adjustable brightness, user-friendly controls, USB Type-C charging, portable and lightweight, and eye carrying. So it's a good color for reading. Nothing really around the sides besides reading light, and then widely used in various occasions. So there's a few examples of exactly how you would use this LED light. So let's open it up. Wow. So that's it for the box. So you get a little instruction guide here. Nice USB-C type cable. And then this is the light. So your USB-C port for charging is right here. These are completely bendable to go on your shoulders and whatnot, because this would sit around your neck. And then you just got a button there and a button there. Low, high, highest, and off. That's it. There's the brightest. That's how they work. Very nice and simple. Perfect for somebody who loves reading, and it feels very lightweight. It's going to be very comfortable on your neck, and this I don't think would get annoying. And plus, you know, you can use one of them at a time if you want to. Lowest setting or highest setting. These are perfect for somebody who loves to read at night in bed. Absolutely genius idea, honestly. So that'll do it for these LED reading lights. Thanks again to this company for sending them to us. And thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.